Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is this is gonna be like probably the shortest video ever. But basically what I'm going to do is show you guys how I turn my strip lashes into seamless extension looking ones. So yeah, I'm in the middle of filming another video, which includes how I got this lipstick look. You will probably see that look before this one, but let's get into it. So these are the Ardell Naked Lashes. I literally got these from Marshall's. I usually do kind of like the Ardell triples. They're like already pre-cut up, but for this video I want to show you guys how you can do the same thing, get the same result with regular lashes. So as you can see, this one's a natural lash, and I don't usually do natural. I usually do dramatic lashes, but hey, there's a time for everything. So basically, I'm just going to take the lash, and if you can observe, there's kind of like these little spaces in between like some darker parts. So you're just gonna cut where those little spaces are to make your sections. Now, it's a good idea to curl these first, but I just want to show you the size of a section. So that's about 3 knots in, and you basically just line up however the lash was built and then just contour it to your eye. So you cut it up into like maybe sections of 3 knots, and then, you know, this is for my left eye, so this section of 3 would go underneath this section, and the same as just the leg. So I'm just going to show you guys how I apply it. I'm going to take the Duo Clear Brush On Strip Lash Adhesive. I've tried using the black and it just doesn't adhere as well. So that's why I use this one. And I'm just gonna take this here, and you see how the curl goes up? You're gonna put it on the inside of the lash. So usually you put the glue underneath the lash when you're doing strip lashes and you stick them on top, but we're gonna be placing these underneath our lash line. I'll show you exactly what I mean, but I'm just gonna put glue just on top of that thread. And this glue dries really fast, and that's the other reason why I really like it. But yeah, usually it's good to like take an eyelash curler and curl them just because they blend a little bit better, but that's okay. Now once that's kind of like set for a little bit, you're just gonna take this, and it's easier with tweezers, but guess what? Don't have any right now, and that's okay. And we're just gonna place it right underneath that section. Don't touch your actual eye, please. Don't touch your actual eye. And it should stick just like that. See, and I love it because this has such a thin band that it's not really detectable. Like, you can't even see the lash, and it'll look more dramatic once we stick more on. And that's the other thing I was going to add, that you can put mascara on beforehand to make the lashes look a little bit bolder or blend a little bit better. I personally I do not do that always if I'm going to go to sleep. This time I did. But yeah, you can sleep with these on for a few days. Now here is the look without eyeliner. Very simple, nothing too dramatic, just kind of for like an everyday type of lash. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, I'm happy to refilm it because I know it was short, but I'll see you guys next time.